Jadi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fani Masyuri Prasetyo. You can call me Fani. I'm from TL3B class. My NRP number is 071-804-0054. And I'm from Shipbuilding Institute Polytechnic Surabaya. And then I will explain OAW process or oxyacetylene welding process. Oxyacetylene welding process is a welding process that use a heat source of flame that's from combination between oxygen gas and acetylene gas to make the material and filler to be the one, with a manual process. And usually you use that if you use in a thin material. Why? Because the connection between the weld is to lower strength than you use electrical arc welding like SMAW, sheet metal arc welding or anything. And then in the oxyacetylene welding process have three flame on that. First flame is oxidation flame. The oxidation flame is the function is you can the function is for cutting material or metal, and the composition of that is more oxygen gas than less acetylene gas. I think 70% on oxygen gas and 30% in acetylene gas. And then the second of flame is a neutral flame. The neutral flame is the function of to weld a material and filler, and the composition is a 50-50 on that. That's good combination. And then the third flame is carburation flame. Carburation flame is the function is to preheat a material and or metals, and the composition is more acetylene and less oxygen gas. And then when you use to weld with a OAW process, you use neutral flame that. And then before we start the process to weld, I will explain about the tools and safety in OAW process. First, you must use this. This is a wear pack. The name is wear pack. Wear pack is to protect you from the flame, in your body. And then you must use this safety shoes. The function is the same, but in the foot. And then you must use this a glove. Glove. This for to protect you from the hot of the filler and the torch. And then you must use this goggles. Goggles. This in here. The function is to protect your eyes from the flame and the and you can see the metals and the filler melt, and then the material is, this is oxygen gas, the blue, and then where's the acetylene? This is the red. This is acetylene gas, and then this is the filler to melt to connection between the material and this, and then you need this metal or material, the plates, this, and this is the torch. You can see that torch, this like the flame out from this, the nozzle of torch, and then you need this tank for bring the hot material, and then you need a lighter, this like a cricket, to make a flame. This is a regulator for acetylene gas, and then this regulator from oxygen gas, the green, and then this is a table to weld the material in here, and this is the starter pack. Anything you need, the metal, the torch, lighter, goggles, tank, glove, and filler. You can see that. And then I will to explain the what, I'm sorry, the OAW process. First you must prepare the tools and material. It's like I'm talking like that, like a metal or anything, and then the second, you must make sure the procedure and the tools of OAW process. Why? Because that's make to safety on your when you welding. And then number 3, put the carbon steel on the material in the work table, and set the material in the position, in a good position. Is up to you. Like this is the table, and you need this. This is a metal. You can do this or you can this. Is up to you. And then the next, use glove and glasses, a safety glove, this glove to protect you, to hold the filler and hold the torch, just like this, and the goggles from the flame of the belt. Open the acetylene case and oxygen case. Acetylene case, and then the regulator, open the case and make a combination, and that you want to weld, or you want to cutting, or you want to preheating. and then use the lighter to light the flame in the torch. Cricket, just like a cricket. Set the in the neutral flame. Set in the neutral flame. Yeah, to weld this process. And then, if the flame is open, this is a material. You can preheat the material first. You can preheat first, and then you start the weld. This is the torch, and I think this filler, filler. You can start thread, and you can swinging, make a good wave very slowly, and then you can make a good wave, and then the material is finished, the connection, and then yes, I think like that. I'm sorry if have not good in English. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you for your attention, and goodbye.